Welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to look into quadratic equations by factorization method. So by factorization method we're going to start by looking into splitting the middle term. So we are going to solve for x. We're going to solve for x on this equation. Let us say x squared plus 6x plus 8 equals to 0. We're going to use splitting the middle term. So when you multiply these two, is by splitting the middle term, we get nothing but 8x squared. So if you are looking for the factors for the 2, that can give us 6. You can actually see that it is 4 times 2, which give us 8, and all values are positive. So you can see that x squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 8 is equals to 0. Then we group x squared plus 4x. Then we group 2x plus 8x equals to 0. If that is the case, then we factorize for x. We get x plus 4. Then plus 2x here. Okay. Here I made a mistake. There should be a bracket here so that it will be x plus 4 bracket is equals to 0. This is not there. So x plus 2 bracket x plus 4 is equals to 0. So x is nothing but minus 2. X is nothing but minus 2 or minus 4. So let us take a look into another example by splitting the middle term. 12x squared minus 22x plus 8 is equals to 0. When we multiply this number and this number, we get nothing but 96x squared. So if you are to look into factors that can give us 96 and give us 22 is nothing but 6 times 16 here. As you can see, 6 times 16. So we need to get negative 22. So it's negative. It gives us a positive 96. So if that is the case, it means the 12x squared minus 6x minus 16x plus 8 is equals to 0. Then we factor out, then we group them first. X squared minus 6x bracket minus 16x plus 8 bracket equal to 0. After doing so, it means now we do nothing but we factor out 6x here. It will be 2x minus 1. Here we are going to factor out minus 8. It will be 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So 6x minus 8 bracket 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. So 6x minus 8 is equals to 0, or 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. 6x is equals to 8 divided by 6 by 6. X after simplified 4 and 3. So it will be 4 over 3, or 2x is equals to 1 divided by 2. We divide by 2. X is equals to a half. Therefore, the value of x is equals to 4 over 3 or 1 over 2. I think this is all for splitting the middle term.